Look at this thing. It's beautiful, guys. Look at this. Have you ever seen a more beautiful hot dog than this?
Hey familia, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Tavo, and today we are at Legoland, Florida. Yes, we are here for the Brick or Treat Monster Party. And I brought along Luna, Val, and my wife, and we're gonna go enjoy this. We got invited, so we're gonna go take advantage of everything. So stick around, because I'm gonna take you for some good fun. Now in magic trick-or-treating, riding roller coasters, devouring spooky treats, and dancing with the Lego monsters. Yeah, it's gonna be epic. Plus, we got exclusive interview with Legoland's PIO and executive chef. And on top of it all, Luna, our granddaughter, rode her first roller coaster and had an absolutely blast on the carousel. We even got to see an incredible drone show to close out the night. Stick around, because you're not going to want to miss this adventure. All right, guys, we just checked in at the guest services. They gave me a little goodie bag for Luna. Can't wait to see what's in it. And the best thing they gave me, it's a treat badge, a lanyard full of food that I'm going to collect as I walk around the park.
In the goodie bag we find... let's see. Spooky Lego head that we are gonna use so Luna can collect her candies. Woohoo! Everybody, come on. Let's go. Luna, you wanna go collect your candies? Here. Say candy. Candy? Candy? She's like, no candy yet. Now it's gonna grab another goodie.
We got ourselves a pop badge. We pop it open and snap it on to our badge. Spooky.
Yeah.
We hit the park. Our mission, try to get all the spooky treats, catch the shows, and soak in the Halloween vibes. Trust me, there is no shortage of fun. We got a chance to chat with Legoland's PIO about what makes Brick or Treat special.
So when you come to Brick or Treat, kids are going to just expect the Lego Halloween brought to full-scale life right before their eyes. They're going to be able to go brick or treating with all the candy stations throughout the park. They're going to be able to meet several different Lego monster characters, and these monsters are fun, don't get me wrong when we say monster. And we've got Lego exclusive shows as well throughout the park, and new this year, the exclusive Monster Skytacular drone show, which we are very excited for everyone to end their day with. Yeah, so we're excited for Brick or Treat Presents Monster Party has started here at Legoland Florida Resort. This is the ultimate Halloween celebration for kids 2 to 12. We invite everyone to come out and experience some exclusive shows, characters, Lego monsters you can't see anywhere else, candy as well, which is all included with your general admission to Legoland Florida.
Now this next part is a huge milestone. Luna, our little adventurer, rode her first roller coaster. She hopped on the coaster and faced her fears like a champ. We are all so proud of her. Now Grandpa has a partner to go ride all these roller coasters in Central Florida. But yes, she did meet the height requirements. All right, familia, let's kick things off with the food. Legoland rolled out an amazing menu for the Monster Party.
We have the Mummy Madness waffles.
We're talking about green waffles.
Here we go.
Bite.
Dip little guy in the dirt. Get him all dirty. Here we go. Woo.
Hot?
There's hazelnut. Hot, really hot.
Really hot?
Dip it in the dirt.
A+, A+.
Mama-licious.
Oh wow, I like that one.
Mama-licious?
Mama-licious.
Oh, there was another one. Oh, there's a bug in my face.
I got that on video.
All right, look. Look at this.
It's cute.
Very cute. Hot. With a glass of milk.
Yes.
Glass of milk, dip it in there.
Let's take
That'd be fantastic.
Luna's leche.
Yes. Can we take your leche? It's really good. Oh my God. Spooky milkshakes.
Shake, 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 shake.
No, the potion shake.
The potion
It's
shake.
purple shake, cookies and cream with gummy worms, right? Taste it. Let's taste it. Ready?
Ready?
Delicious. Just like cookies and cream.
Oh.
Love it.
Yeah. But we just didn't shout down. We also got an inside scoop from Legoland's executive chef.
We also have our all bat no bite delight. It's a chocolate covered apple decorated like a bat. You know, just something for the kids.
And a 2-foot-long hot dog.
Look at this. Look at this thing. It's beautiful, guys. Look at this.
So this item is a custom-made hot dog bun, and then it's topped with 2-foot-long hot dogs, and then our homemade buffalo chicken dip. So we make it in-house, then we bread it, and then we deep fry it, then put it on top of our hot dogs, and then we just drizzle it with ranch dressing, blue cheese crumbles, celery, and green onions.
Sounds delicious.
We've gotten really good, comments from the guests, so we're excited about that.
All right, this is one of the coolest treats I've ever had at a theme park. Look at this. I can feed the whole family. This is great. One hot dog feeds 4.
Cause silly, scary skeletons! Now do the zombie walk! I like that dance move a lot, little monsters. Everyone else, let's give it a try.
All right, I think we burned a lot of calories there. We have to burn all those calories from that hot dog. Luna put us to dance. We're exhausted. We're gonna have to go get another treat to recover from all that dancing.
All right, guys, ready to try the Pumpkin Patch Bliss pumpkin ice cream with a toffee cookie. So excited to try. Let's go get a spoon. Definitely tasting that fall flavor. Very delicious. Here, Looney.
Tasty.
Ooh, Luna loves it.
More.
I say, oh, pumpkin foso. You know, like fabuloso, but Val's not liking it, but I am.
What is it again?
Pumpkin foso.
Guys, we are running out of time. We're trying to get all the snacks before they close the park, and we got to go catch that drone show, but I'm going to try to go get that burger. All right, I thought it was a hamburger, but it's a chicken sandwich. There's a little chicken right there. This thing is huge. This is so cool because the bun is black. Look at this. Delicioso. This is great. So good. The chicken's so crispy too. The chicken's so crispy. The bun is totally black. Wickedly black.
I am so excited because I thought this was just apple fries, but it's caramel ice cream with apple fries. Oh my God. And it's got pretzels, yes. Pretzels, look at the pretzels. So super excited. Okay, ready? Gonna try the ice cream with the pretzel. Here we go.
Is it good?
Oh yes, it's so good. Now let's try an apple fry with the ice cream. Fantastic. Absolutely love. Absolutely adore. Definitely recommend.
All right. Look at that. Got another one for you, Val.
Nice. And I love apples too.
All right, let's go watch the drone show.
Cute.
Look at that. All right, Val, we conquered all the treats. We got all of them. We got our lanyard punch for all the treats. We made it. So now we gotta head out to the drone show and go check it out.
They are delicious.
Do you feel accomplished?
I feel very accomplished.
God, that was a lot
We
of
got
calories.
candy, we rode rides,
Yes.
we saw characters, and we got treats.
Yes, we
Great
did.
Legoland day.
Speaking about the drone show, familia, it was a hands down one of the coolest parts of the night. Picture 500 synchronized drones lighting up the sky, creating Lego minifigures, and then boom, fireworks. It was absolutely breathtaking. The whole show reflected beautifully off the lake, and it really capped off our brick or treat adventure in the most magical way. So for a recap, we had an incredible time at Legoland's Brick or Treat Monster Party, from the delicious treats to Luna's first roller coaster, dancing with the Lego monsters, and jaw-dropping drone show. It was a day to remember. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. I want to hear about your adventures at the theme parks too.
So, what did you think, babe?
This was another awesome family day here at Legoland with all our monster friends.
Yes, it was really cool.
It was so much fun. So we totally recommend it for all the families, all the couples, anybody. Just come. It's exciting. There's so much to do.
A lot to eat.
Yep, definitely. So much to try. You won't get bored.
You sure
Full
won't.
day of fun.
Well, familia, we enjoyed ourselves right here at Legoland. My favorite was a hot dog. Man, that could feast for days on that
That
hot
thing
dog.
was humongous.
It was amazing and it was
a
delicious.
monster.
Yes. So if you liked our adventure for today, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more adventures with the
Hit,
Torres
hit,
family.
hit. And we will see you here again soon.
Ladies, y hasta luego.
Besitos.